Hello friends, welcome again, and this is my new project, Bus Reservation System, and I have developed this project in Spring Boot, Angular, and MySQL. So on Java Spring Boot side, I have used JDK 1.8 versions, and for server, I'm using Tomcat server. Tomcat version is 9, and for database, I'm using MySQL, and the version is 5.6. And for front end, I have used Angular. Angular version is 12, and for ID, I'm using STS Spring Boot tool suites for the Spring Boot development and Visual Studio Code for Angular development and PHP for managing the database. Great. For port, I'm using the port 8080 for running the microservices, Spring Boot microservices, and port 4200 for running the web application. Right. So these are the technology stacks we have used for developing this project bus reservation system. It's a headless base architecture. Headless base architecture means we have separate presentation layer and the business layer. So we have implemented all of the business layer in Spring Boot, right? And presentation layer in the Angular, right? For front end development, we have used HTML, CSS, and some of the other libraries, right? So you can see this is the bootstrap, partial bootstrap theme. It's not a fully bootstrap theme. Means it will work on some mobile screens as well as the tab, right? So these are the technology stacks and the ports and ID informations which you have used for developing this project, right? So let's start with the functionality overview, the feature list, what we have implemented, what are the features available inside this project, right? So the project title is Bus Reservation System, and it's a mini project because it has only and only customer operations. There is no admin login inside this project, right? And if you need the admin login, there is a bus ticket booking system available in our website with admin login also. You can check that video, right? And so this is a mini project which has only customer operations, right? So once you run this project on browser on port 4200, you will get this home page. So these are the search section. Here all of the cities are drop down, city drop downs are dynamic. These are some buses coming from database, right? It's a dynamic and coming from APIs, right? This is a about page and it's a static page. There is nothing dynamic on it. This is a search bus. From here you can search the bus, right? So here you can search Delhi to Gaya, right? Total passengers 3 and date. So you can see the previous dates are disabled, right? Search. So you can see there are two bus provide their service between Delhi to Gaya, right? So you can see the details, right? You can see the details and you can't book the ticket because there is a restrictions. You can book the ticket only and only after login, right? And then you can book login inside the system to book the ticket, right? So this is the customer login. From here customer can log in and customer can perform certain operations like book the bus, see their booking histories and all. This is a registration. From here, if you don't have user id and password, you can register from here and you can create your user id and password. This is a contact search. This is static contact us. There is nothing dynamic on it. We are not sending any type of email and SMS from this page. We are not sending any type of saving this information anywhere into the database. This is a feedback. Feedback is not working because it's a mini project, right? Okay, now I'm going to log in as a customer. So admin at the rate gmail, sorry, Amit at the rate gmail.com and password is test. You will get this dashboard. Home, I already explained you. This is a home page, right? Dashboard. This is a dashboard page. About page already explained you. Search bus. From here you can search the bus. This is a my bookings. From here you will be able to see all of the bookings. If you click on the arrow icon, you will be able to see the booking details. Even you can print that, right? Again, I'm going on the dashboard. This is a my account. From here you can update your account details. All of the account details you can update from here, right? Now I am going the same menu options available in the header also. You can see this is the my booking and my account. Now I'm going to search a bus from Delhi to Gaya. Total passenger I need to, and then this one 31st and search. So two bus provide their services. So I am going to book this one details, and here AC, right? and enter passenger name. I'm thinking J, right? Age is 12, and gender is male. Add passengers. You can see the passenger has been added, right? Vijay, right? 23, male. Add passenger. The passenger is added, and Suman, 25, female. Add passenger, right? So you can add the passengers, right? Once you click on the book tickets, this is the payment gateway page. This is a dummy payment gateway. There is no real time transaction is happening here. Even we are not hitting a type of external URLs from this page, right? So no need of entering the credit card details. Just enter any of the garbage information here, right? And then card type you can choose. And total amount you need to pay is 600 rupees for three passenger, because the cost is 200 rupees per passenger, right? Once you click on the make payment, you will get the receipt. You can see this is the receipt. Booking ID is 380, and these are all passengers, right? You can print the receipt from here, right? You can see that booking ID in the my bookings also, right? So this is the booking you can see, and this one, these are the passenger details, right? So the last thing is the logout. Once you log out, the above menu is the session driven menu, and it's render according to the session, right? So you can see the menus are different, but if I log out, then the menu has changed, right? If I log in, it's getting changed, right? Because the system is checking if you have certain role and permissions. If you have certain role and permission, then it's rendering the menu, right? So these all functionalities we have developed inside this project bus reservation system. And as I told you earlier, this is a mini project developed in Java, Spring Boot, Angular, and MySQL, right? So if you need any enhancement, any new features, any new functionality in this project, just put it into the comments. We will incorporate those changes. We will make this project more better and better according to requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.